Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Let's talk about the email visibility within your profile and how to change it. So you're actually within your Jira, and you need to actually click on your avatar right here. Then you need to actually click on the account settings. Within the account settings, you're going to be introduced to the profile and the visibility. So you're going to see everything in here. All of these options, most of these options can actually be changed. Of course, there might be some of the options saying that you cannot actually change it because this was defined within your identity provider. This is something else. You shouldn't really worry about that. So if you scroll all the way down, you're going to see the contact here. It's going to show you your email address. And then the question is going to be who can actually see this. Now, this could be changed in two ways actually. So it's either anyone or only you and the admins. So what actually this means? This means if for anyone, that means basically self-explanatory. Anyone on the website itself that basically is using the Jira product can actually hover over. If you're a reporter or a signee, they can actually see your email address. If you want to keep this confidential and only for you, you want to actually click on this option right here. But one thing to understand is admins can actually see your email. If you're asking which admins, you guessed it right, Jira admins can actually see the email address. So, if we go to one of our projects in here, and now, well, basically I don't have anything in here. All right, let me go for my backlog. Right, so I'm hovering over myself here, and for example, I'm going to be seeing my email address because this already has been done. But that is how you can actually